Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the world of products. Today, we're checking out a unique little device that might just change your dental hygiene routine, especially if you wear retainers, night guards, or dentures. I'm talking about the Zima Dental Pod. This ultrasonic cleaner promises to tackle stains, plaque, and buildup on your dental appliances quickly and effectively. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. The Zima Dental Pod operates with advanced ultrasonic technology, using high-frequency 42,000 Hz sound waves to clean your appliances without damaging them. It's designed to remove everyday stains and plaque from items like retainers, night guards, and dentures, all while being gentle on the material. The cleaning process is as simple as filling the pod with water, dropping in your dental appliance, and letting the ultrasonic waves do their magic for about 5 minutes. For tougher stains, Zima suggests adding one of their cleaning tablets to boost the cleaning power. So how did it perform in real-world use? Honestly, I was impressed by how straightforward the process was. There's no complex setup, no confusing instructions, just fill, drop, and wait. And in about 5 minutes, I pulled out my retainer, which was noticeably cleaner, with the plaque and stains all but gone. For deeper cleaning, the tablets do work, but they're not a necessity if you're just dealing with the regular buildup from day-to-day wear. I did notice that on appliances with heavy plaque buildup, the tablets were more effective at getting them spotless. Now, on to the pros and cons. First, the positives. The Zima Dental Pod is super easy to use, and the cleaning process is quick and efficient. It's compact, so it won't take up much counter space, and it's sleek enough to blend in with your bathroom setup without looking out of place. Plus, the 30-day money-back guarantee and 1-year warranty provide some peace of mind. On the flip side, there are a couple of downsides. The ultrasonic cleaning power is great for regular maintenance, but it might not always be powerful enough for appliances that have been neglected for a long time. The cleaning tablets help, but they're an extra cost. Also, if you have multiple dental appliances to clean, you might find yourself needing to do multiple rounds, as the pod can only clean one appliance at a time. So is this worth the money? Well, it depends. If you wear a retainer or night guard regularly, it can save you time and effort compared to manual cleaning methods. It's an investment that could make your daily routine easier, especially if you're particular about keeping your dental appliances fresh and clean. But if you're looking for something that handles heavy-duty cleaning of multiple items at once, you might want to explore other options. When comparing it to similar products, the Zima Dental Pod stands out for its compact design and ease of use. But there are other ultrasonic cleaners with larger chambers or stronger cleaning capabilities for those who need more power. It's also priced fairly for what it offers, but there are cheaper options that do the job if you're just looking for basic cleaning without the bells and whistles. As for build quality, it feels solid and durable. The pod itself is lightweight, yet sturdy enough that I don't expect it to break easily with regular use. I haven't had it long enough to comment on long-term durability, but the overall construction seems up to par. I haven't needed to contact customer support, but Zima offers a responsive team that promises to get back to you within 24 hours through Amazon's messaging platform, which is nice to know. The 12-month warranty also shows they stand by their product. If you're on a budget, there are similar ultrasonic cleaners, but none that come with the sleek design and simplicity that this one does. The Zima Dental Pod is a great option for those who want something that works well for everyday cleaning. But if you need something more industrial or heavy-duty, you may want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, the Zima Dental Pod does what it claims. It cleans your dental appliances efficiently and without fuss. It's perfect for those who want an easy, quick, and compact cleaner that works well for regular use. Just don't expect it to handle every kind of stain or build up with ease. If you're looking for something that fits neatly into your bathroom, offers solid performance, and doesn't take up much space, this is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other dental care enthusiasts can find this video too. Thanks so much for watching today's review on Beautyistic. If you've used the Zima Dental Pod, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. You can also find the link to the product in the description box below. Until next time, stay sparkling, stay clean, and keep your dental routine looking as fresh as ever.